it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Malari, and in today's video we have a kind of fun palette today. I'm gonna have to change this background because I just realized there's green in here, so hang tight. Let's try this again. Let's be back and try this again. I actually kind of feel like this background is more fitting because we have the main stage palette. This is by Profusion, so I picked this up at Walmart. It's actually been a minute, to be honest with you, and I'm not sure why we haven't reviewed this yet, but I saw it on my bathroom counter and I said, wait a second, we have not reviewed you yet. This is the color story on this. How freaking cute is this? It's definitely giving like summertime, music festival season. Yes, it's giving. We have all these gorgeous shades. We have whatever these things are. I'm assuming I kind of want to use this one as a blush, not that one though. I don't know what we're gonna do with this. But we also have these three little glittery things. I would call them like glitter sponges because that's exactly what we're gonna do, is smudge them on something. They're just not really like a shadow. It's more just like that glitter jelly that they give you sometimes. We also picked up a blue mascara from that line, and we got a stamp. So this is a pink, and I used this before for the Throw It Back Cocktails Lash Show. I used it on my face and just did like a couple little hearts right there. It was probably the same thing we're gonna do today. So without further ado, if you're interested in watching me create 2 eyeshadow looks with this palette, just continue to watch. Okay, love that we have this huge mirror in here. Love that. Today we're gonna do what we normally do, where we do like a pink or pinkish reddish orangey type eye, like warmer shades on one side, cooler shades on the other. Let's go ahead and start right here with wristband. We'll use this as a transition shade, and this is a BH Cosmetics blending brush from the Doja Cat collection. So we'll just use that in the crease as our transition shade. I think that this palette is definitely just a music festival palette. Like the theme and everything. It's just a music festival palette. It's giving music festival. Now we're gonna go into Sunset right here. This also could be used as a transition shade, but let's just see what happens whenever we use it. Okay, so this is a little bit more than a transition shade. This is a lot brighter. I love that for us. This is definitely gonna be the warmer side. And now let's take the shade Fanny Pack right here. Start to blend along the crease line. And this next shade I'm really excited about because it is so glittery and beautiful. You guys know how much I love a good glittery matte. Okay, I'm not sure if you could tell how like glittery it is. This shade is just very pretty. It's called VIP. So we're gonna use this next. This shade is a lot prettier than I was expecting it to be, but I'm not getting much of the glitter. There is some glitter on my face, but that's because I just edited another video. I don't think that this is the same glitter, so I'm not getting much of that here. So it's just kind of lost in there, but I really love that, but we'll just continue. We'll keep moving on. As we're getting into this, I'm noticing that there aren't that many warm shimmers. Like we have this one right here that's kind of a yellow, and then we have Lost right here, but it's kind of dark. So we're gonna use this purple right here. We're gonna go into this purple and put that along the crease to deepen it up. So we're gonna go into Hype right here. And then I said we're gonna do cool shades on the other side, but I mean it'll be alright. It'll be alright. Regardless, I feel like music festival makeup is so colorful, and I feel like those colorful weird looks. This is actually giving like sunset eye, so this is actually not terrible. I like this. I'm thinking that, I mean, I know you guys see me just like putting it all over my lid. I think that that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna put it all over the lid and then add one of those glitter things on top. And I'm gonna go back in with the last 2 shades, VIP and Fanny Pack, to blend those shades together with that purple. Okay, so as we're we're starting to blend this out, I'm noticing that we're losing some of the pigment. I don't want to lose too much more of that, and I don't want to keep blending all day. So let's just move on. We're gonna go into Mood right here. I thought Mood was more shimmery than that. That is not looking like it's gonna be a good choice. Oh, Profusion. Absolutely not, ma'am. Okay, so let's try Selfie. This one looks a lot more, this one looks a lot more glittery, a lot glitterier. Okay, so, okay. Oof. I was about to start talking trash too. I think Profusion already knew. They was like, let me get it together before she starts, because like this is not feeling great. Not feeling awesome. I don't feel great about Profusion in this moment. Let's go ahead and add the pink one on the side, the pink glitter smudge stuff. We'll just put that right on the lid. The only thing about doing this is that I'm absolutely losing pigment. Like, absolutely. It's definitely happening. None of it doesn't look terrible. It doesn't look amazing, but it doesn't look terrible. So we'll just keep on moving. So we are going to try to keep it a little bit more tame over here. I am going to go ahead and go in with Wristband as a transition shade again, because it worked out so well on the other side. So even though I did make a poor choice on this side by adding that glittery smudge stuff over here, which I actually feel like if we use like a graphic liner, it would probably work out and be okay. So I think that that's what we will do, is go ahead and use a graphic liner to hide the mistake that I've made here. But it still was just not, it's just not giving. Let's try Playlist and Lineup. Look like they're the exact same shade. I'm not sure why we got two of them. That minty green, but let's just see. Nope. So let's go ahead and go into a headliner instead. Once again, I'm not a huge fan of these pastel shades. Let's just try it for the hell of it. I'm gonna go into Crowd Surf right here. Let's go into No Sleep. This will definitely do something. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking. We got something workable. Okay, so pastels are a no, but this blue is going fine. Let's try this green right here. This is Festival Ground. It looks more blue, but I think it'll do. It's like a blue-green. This is actually the shade that I wanted to use for the lid, but I'm gonna go in with DJ first on the lid just to see. At this point, we're just trying stuff because I'm not really a fan of how this is coming out overall anyway, so we're just gonna see what happens. But you know what's weird is that actually I kind of like the way that looks right there. That's weird and suspicious. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and go back into the shade right here, Selfie. Put it in my inner corner. We're gonna take this, the blue glitter smudge. I know you're like, girl, didn't you learn your lesson? Yeah, I did, but still. I did it on the other side, so I want to do it on this side as well. Okay, so this side doesn't look as bad as the other side, I don't think, but I definitely think both sides look horrible. Both sides look terrible. I would never even wear this. But I am going to go ahead and add some liner and just see if it would look better once we add some more to it. Okay, so I went ahead and added some graphic liner. I really don't even know if graphic liner is still a thing. Okay, I'm really into blue mascara. I wasn't sure before. There's people at my job who be wearing this, and I'm like, oh, y'all are really trendy. So let's go ahead and use those blush shades and see if we like them. So far, I think it's pretty obvious I'm not a fan of this palette. We really are just going through the motions just to give everything a chance. Let's just try it all and just see what's going on. Let's go ahead and use this shade right here. This is the Artist Pass. We're gonna use this as a blush. Maybe we might have to put something on top of it, but Okay, so this isn't terrible. Most of the blushes that I use, they're mostly orange anyway. I just like how it makes my skin look warm, so yeah, okay, not all bad. This blush actually looks okay. I don't mind that at all. That looks great. Looks fine. Let's move on to the stamp. So again, this is a heart pink stamp. You can put it just about anywhere. But we're just going to do like a stamp here. Oh, not me getting the circle too. Stamp too hard. Okay, cute. Let's do the other side. That's cute. See, these stamps are cute. So overall, I would have to say I think that the only shade that I actually really liked was the selfie shade. The artist passed down here, it was cute for a blush, so that's fine. These glitter smudges are good. I hate the way that I used it and how I like messed it all up, but they are very cute. Now the eyeshadow look, don't get me wrong, I know it's ugly. We look a mess. We best go wash this off. We're not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere, but it definitely came out a lot better than I was expecting once we added the graphic liner. So do we need this palette in our collection? Absolutely not. We do not need this palette in our collection. The blendability of it was not there, and it's kind of patchy, but there's just those few little things in there that are good to have, but I don't think, to me, it's not worth it to buy the whole palette. If you are not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video. Let me know in the comment section below if this is a music festival look that you would even wear. Doubt it, but let me know. You guys will see my face in the next one.